Okay, this is the first in a series of videos just showing you how to use the Tonal Energy Tuner app. So you've just loaded it up on your phone, you launch the app, and this is what you get. This is the main tuner window. If we go up to the top here, temperament should be set to equal. Make sure you don't change it to just. It's quite easy to do if you press the side of your phone as you're moving it. So it always needs to be on equal, so you can tune to it. The other side on the right here is a metronome on and off. Okay, so that just switches it on, switches it off. Down here it says winds. This is, if you click on that, this is the in-tune range. We want as wide a possible in-tune range to start with. So if you just select it to wide and then press done up here, you notice it changes to wide. The next thing we need to do is to make sure the transpose here, it says transpose is set to C when you first load it up. Okay, so if you're playing clarinet or saxophone, you need to change this to transpose for your instrument. The easiest way to do this is to click on the transpose and then scroll down until you find your instrument. Okay, so in this case we've got B flat clarinet set up. Press done, and then it says transpose B flat. So it tells you, because it's orange, that it's set to transpose. If it's just white, then it's set to concert. You can then choose to either play your notes in and just look at the tuner, or you can get it to play your notes for you. So as you play a note, it will work out what note you're playing, and then it will then play the same note for you. This is quite a useful feature. To switch this on, you've got to press this little microphone and note section over here. So if I switch it on, just grab the clarinet. You can hear how it plays the note that you're playing on the clarinet, and then that gives you a note to tune to. So just going over the features of here, if you're playing a note on your clarinet or your saxophone and you're holding a long note, it's going to tell you how in tune you are via whether you see the smiley face in the middle or whether you see a sort of frowny look, because it's not quite sure what note you're playing. So if I play a G a minute. Okay, the longer I play that tune, that note, and it's in tune, the little smiley face lights up. If I start playing sharp or flat, it goes either above or below the note. So if it's going above the note, or you're seeing this top semicircle light up, then that's telling you that you're sharp. If it's going below the smiley face, you're playing flat. Now, there are different ways to achieve this on your saxophone. If you squeeze too hard or bite too hard onto the mouthpiece or clarinet, you're going to make the note sharp. If you've got not enough pressure from your bottom jaw, or your teeth aren't over your lips, aren't over your teeth, or your bottom lip isn't over your teeth, then you're not going to be able to get enough pressure to keep the note in tune. So these are all things we can talk about in the lesson in relation to the tuner. But it's a very, very useful little app, and everyone should, who's playing an instrument should have it on their phone or iPad to use.